Welcome dear listeners. In this video, we shall learn about the poem The Arrow and the Song. In this poem, the poet has judiciously compared the words we speak with an arrow. When the person in the poem shoots the arrow, it is like when we lash out at someone or say some unkind words. Let's give this poem a reading. I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight. In this stanza, it is said that the poet had shot an arrow in the air, and the arrow was so swift. Swiftly means fast. The arrow was so swift that the poet's eyes couldn't catch it. He could not figure out where the arrow had dropped onto the earth. Let's jump onto the next paragraph. I breathed a song into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For who has sight so keen and strong that it can follow the flight of song? In this stanza, poet says that he had sung a song into the air. Means he had spoken something to any other person. It fell to earth, I knew not where. He had spoken and later on he forgot what he had spoken. For who has sight so keen and strong? Poet says that nobody has that sharp eyes to trace the path of flying arrow. Similarly, no heart can remember the spoken words. Though the speaker didn't know where the arrow landed, similarly, he didn't know that his words had hurt someone or not. Long afterward, in an oak, I found the arrow still unbroke, and the song from beginning to end I found again in the heart of a friend. In this stanza, the poet wants to say that he had shot an arrow long before, and now one day he found that arrow in an oak tree. It was still unbroke. Unbroke means it was not broken. It was in a single piece. Similarly, the song from beginning to end which he had sung once, it means the words which he had spoken once, he found that they were in the heart of a friend. The friend of the poet had not forgotten what this poet had said to him once. Poet's words too were unbroken. The theme of the poem is that, or in other words, the poet wants to say in this poem is that the words are just like an arrow. As a person shoots an arrow into the air and we do not know where has it landed, similarly, we speak words and we do not know where the words have landed. It means whether the words have hurt someone's feelings or not, we do not know. Sometime after, the poet finds the arrow. Similarly, we find that our words once spoken have hurt someone's feelings badly. We should be very careful before uttering any word, because the words too have the same piercing and cutting ability as an arrow has. As the arrow can make a person wounded, so words can. After a period of time, poet finds that this arrow is stuck in an oak wood. It is not broken. Similarly, the words once spoken are unforgotten and unbroken. they are still stuck in someone's heart. So we should use our words judiciously and wisely. We must think before we speak, because harsh words and rude words, they have the same piercing and cutting ability as an arrow has. Thanks for watching the video.